na ene sebene hiti papa. We hiti. System no more style bi bebre. Meme su. Na meme na esu na ma na ebe dey. Just sister na dry.
Aje.
Ampani. Na mampani wa yin ya bra kwabra me mu akwa aba no pay.
Ya ma jo so na ho ye.
Oh nyame adom.
Ene 22nd ma me kai kwasichum ene HR for no. Me try de na metimi gi advance. Se metimi agi advance. Eresi Priscilla Vodafone Anaman Pacho record we to me. Eresi record to me. Eresi Priscilla Vodafone Anaman. She is the best decision I have ever taken after knowing Christ, and she has been a worthy partner, friend, counselor, critic, and motivator.
Okay.
She doesn't fault, loyal to a cause, and strong in all facets of life. She is the reason all the odds have been pulled down and the race is being won. She is the mother of my princess and the love of my life. Ajua Broni Papebi. My Ajua Afrakoma Welbeck. You deserve every commendation because you are just you and classy at all times. Happy 35th, sweetheart. I so do love you. From Ellis and myself, we say thanks for all the love and sacrifices. Please, kindly.
Over can work.
Mama, can you? There,
what do you know? Yeah, say.
Please.
You're steady. I know your own personal. It's one broken walking cane.
Linda Poku. Or PricewaterhouseCoopers Diesel of Germany. Mrs. Ampedu.
Mrs. Welbeck.
And one Mrs. Ampedu. That Kofi Ampedu yere. Ti Mrs. Ampedu.
Mrs. Welbeck.
Welbeck Kofi Ampedu. Ba me chawa no pay. Oh Germany. De okura tire. Hey. Krata tintin pa ya chobra mi no nine. E je se nyaduma ketwa.
Wo de aba no nine. Me de me se be 3:30. I'm so wow.
So happy birthday, Ajua Broni Papebi. It's from your husband, the director of Badwam.
Enti Linda nyame hira why? Nyame nya okese. No nya okese pa.
Yes.
Na nso ayi
anochi wa ba.
Anochi wa
ba. Eba anochi wa. Whichever way there was wa and ba. So anochi wa ba. Happy birthday, Sonko Enko and Famao. Beautiful soul sister. You so number count. Now why you come so there. The good thing is that I'm not sure about so utia. A racy any a year can say a fiaman quata maclo. Ona jiatum say enipa edu I da come so. Only on ebe call chop by away. Oh, dear. Oh, no money brio. They acquire choba, you'll be a they can biscuit, there could be a Dominican Comota. If you ever got choba away at ye, now I let me as a pair home. More moody dear who, more moody abetier, more much moody mankin, more much moody abunu, more perere and quine. Nina futufra. And no one admire. I'm not sure about your my air cane, a tintin in it, or dear. On Shabu, was that no dear Bata, by Danaso? Tiambo now be do her pebra. Now, I'm not sure about a birthday gift and why. Obey a come out, or no dear, you should pay. Yes. Oh, yeah, dear powers, I didn't know. I know dear Cabana Michel. Okay, and that's why I felt so. Medassi said, Nana Pen, I saw her Nadia. But can't tell my second supervisor, Eber Juma Maya. Now, me try me lesson knows nothing. Before I say, this week, no, but not in the mood to remember. That we can be quite a demonstrated me teaching. Oh, I have come on, I don't need your best lesson. I didn't know. I said, my hair came. Anybody say more? Do all this. Oh, no. Also, they try to say Michael Jackson. And then you back into a daily graphic media shots, you know. Dealing with global crisis, inspire new partnership. President Akufo-Addo urges EU and Ghana Malta Committee to deepen ties. Ghana Standards Authority bill passed. Attorney General swears in new OSP board. And what's some and a daily graphic so a day about. If you want me to be kind of what you online. Okay. Can crunchy macho pepe me who ya che the Daily Searchlight. Auditor General has violated the law. Occupy Ghana for Nekasei. On the info Anna, poverty is killing the media. Kojo upon Kroma. Experience is the best teacher in your Canada. Poverty is killing the media upon Kroma. And I don't want to. But the Herald. Larry Dogbe, good morning. Kufuor's love shifts from Tremantin Mahama to Baumia. Says he has become like a son to me and he's very loyal. And John Boadu challenger demands fairness ahead of MPP elections. Volta regional lands being grabbed by politicians and cronies. The Herald, the worker, tells you the Aban. If you are online,
adomonline.com. Na adomonline.com ha declare your assets. Attorney General ne day to OSP, Office of Special Prosecutor, board members nenim. Ubia de obia no fabra no ehunu ansana. What should you media say? And what some the worker say adomonline.com so ediaba. And I say ye should want to be a no yira yen yakohu ewo Cape Coast ho asem so eno audio so ebo adomonline.com no and say government enche or the automatic premise fuel pumps eno ebeba mawulim pacho kasa mente ena once and for from entertainment news no so Nara Mali and so eni agye ho Sagana star last min obe sign no nti ho asem okwa adomonline.com so a eno ewo ho ene ensem foforo ebimu na local news yes 179 men's gold customers ni BF omu afrim 179 wow oba adomonline.com asansam ni nyina so ewa ha na John Jenapon so okwa de krola no de etwagu no a Ghana for su papa panya betesa wo se nipa na botai pa so sunku a eno aze mi hu abrante bi otwam emerante ankwa mi hu omo na mi wu e ma no mpodie woni obi ti so oman hene no mu se na usu hia kakra bi otimi epone hu bi ma na mema ho an wo kosu a kire no se nyanya me na beka obi akoma se so oman ye wo ho a oba wuramu ana utumi se spirit ni dinachi wo yi ma meme aha wan hia obi sa mema no me de bia me so ma mema no ma no de eje se bia wokoro no ho ana bibia ti sa but sometimes em se de nyame de num ye no no bu a uhia na wo kan wasam kakra bia na atwa na koma so no ama kakra eno wo ho na mema no de intense
baka kaka
obeka sakwa ba ho se wo ka mema no de intense obe kwan
na wa mu cameraman ya no oba ho kra be ja
system no mu masika ni su mu masika ni su na de tokra ye din udi dwa se de boso me nu ba bia be se di dwa bi ye ni na sai
mo wo no so mo nto mo ase because me toko share create me no afi de so tia na eti
e beti mo ba wo no so de no kwabena no so hu hia o
mo wo no mo so
esa o teso esa o hwe ho no wa
wo ni didi dodo
enye didi na so no e wo so odidi
ma bi o mo besra me over the weekend hey omo ni mani bo
o de acha okura
akwa basa o fase hey
o so mo ani da ho wo ye ni na asa o to bibia na asa nti se asa yentimi enye dia ho no mo o ba watch 2 days because system no
o tracha you know Mr. Frank Asempani you see besrame me no me that day na be me timi nkan but na be me oh bibi ayo okay na be me yire mo say me di bibi be show mo no matimi appear free wa ko ano mo so relax ma me show kakra nto ase ma me say hey na de manya ba
banya ho chene o de acha okra na yeah can I say myjoyonline.com thousands stranded as flood waters block Takoradi Agona-Tarkwa highway ho asem myjoyonline.com so oba ho no mo a eno so ewo ahanomo eseya MPP communicators have failed to communicate party's achievement to the public no na dey say ayehu e dey na so mbeka
o dem say mia ne nyoma bibiri wo hono ma omaya ati say me say me ka de bia say school na ba bia me kira de no say aban for Peters ama say no omo AC school down for the art and entertainment industries a TV project very huge one and omo nim kese pa apart from that, no old do any section one ma. They have a huge story school building be one ma. They've done a lot. Oba a Kumasi Krana, a quine be one ma. Na me ni omoye. Ohacho ya.
Even la why you should so omoye.
So okay. Enye ebia na enye ni so. Ebia na said the AC kono na ompe. Ba won timi kasa aban betena so. Oh
yeah the omo ye bi. Ba wiase no kwabena yete wo yete hoyi. Wo be bibia. Na nso se sika ni kwabena ni botomu ade wo be ye.
That's the danger.
So atase.
If you mesro mamenko Western Region Mbra Kisiana Director Nadmo Western Region. Insu ya ni eye no skills or Takoradi ne miami bi no. Ya bu so mo na muntu mutu Abdul Gani Mohammed Macha pomti say.
Yemia bibia boko ha.
Good. Good. Jamia do bibia boko. E ba se na Nadmo for em se ma so na aye na money na abre kakra. De di kan sa insu ya atoi ni miami ahodo a ayiri no. Oh yeah, Nadmo Jumane, is this the first time our experience will be or Takoradi ana?
First of all, medicine medi in Chiama. I shall phone it for Minara. Social office now there was a lot of flooding issue of Takoradi and then Mia Ewaha and it was the region including baby to Samara boy in 2019. Our class submerged, but I found Agona-Tarkwa stretch issue. She said that's the second time I flooded in 2020 and 2022. That's the second time I flooded to level. In fact, you can't fix it because the flood prone area you create Ekma. Now Ekma no a low land, a low above the sea level. And see what it means is that instead of more about definitely a bit me at Fakofo. So now our community be a friend of I do no na you should be Takoradi, you should be for community no. See Yamia Doma Ekma for by Skebio Munya no. Your mom flat phone areas, you know, my almost 6 years. So currently, I want to nature your baby from the choice month, and also your fixed and your baby to say white diamonds, you know, a new site called Takoradi Polia. I want to say your fixed, but there's a few problems because last Wednesday, now I told you know. Yirifawo and see Nana Yama Ekma Municipal Assembly no Aswantima more putting measures in place to make sure say fixing that problem so that problem including flood no Ebekofum mattress circle now Sisana a new construction of the market, you know, ama share frog of no asa na so abre from kakra.
Okay.
Then the stretch here, this I'm say, I'm driver, I'm so I may call upon one of you. I could share what is happening because it's any I don't want to phone. They can say it's only petty. Sorry, it's only petty. And see, you can say a son called you because now, with the help of Ghana Fire Service, we get to be a lot of rescue man.
Okay, so I bring it to know, who so far, Sabi, apart from a year in Yapadibia, a hoba cochono, actually nipa be actually on Kwana.
For now, they insist will be actually on one.
Okay. Now, one also ensure amo shebrasano in terms of bia omuye omojuma baby omotino. E dey na ye found quickly.
Yeah, including Ghana Police Service. Ghana Police Service station we were and also ensure ko mo pa the Ghana Police Service for among someone or mobile me. What we are doing this morning is and into the year who be my say, what is the situation? Among Hokano, your Yanzuna, a coordinator, so now Omutiki, your friend saying, data, oh, your data, Nana, you be your man friend now, for one age me, I solve a problem.
I see. Major Mwakoye Juma, now fe Wiemu Hono, you need the Chia back near what my baby saw in Semba community, but Edamase for a year Monamun to Amotu quickly in response to a year in Sua, Eha in Yanama, one water credit important metro. Mohammed, thank you so much for your time. Rebecca said, I'm not so, not Mupenyin Power, Western Region, what is it? And didn't come. We brought back to studio quickly now, and somehow do I go so I can was some young concrete and young call line affair and wrap up my. The publisher say, enough of the disrespect. Babin tells ministers, this is the Ghanaian publisher, Chronicle, so say, judges mad over ex-Russia attacks, and then Russia-Ukraine war is having a toll on developing countries. President Naka say, high cost of insecticides, farmers cutting down cocoa trees for rubber. Daily Guide, Nana requests support for Africa. MPP vetting results out, and MPs refund double salaries. And what's a Kempong announces Qatar 2022 package. And Mekache Ghana for Bezam Qatar. Unqua marriage certificate. Or the Konakoye, a you Honakoye, a Iso. Ubuhunua can say, Muna play now, they babacro. Waka Krumo 7 years. Now, fake Union Mundiomaba. Unim so sisi miode. Unim so intimi show so. Unim say o persist o will be koji o mania legitimately a sana ko ne hihye onyam na behihye o de fa scrat an en koyet say only you see for that tent bagum we na for da bi omzo montiase o ya so brachi a enya ha ya chiwa e be ka say kwamna santi wo fa ase ni nua ba na yere wo fa na chi ba na eni bizia entini ye be release you know kona ko kire wachi wo kata so be nya kwanya dia be fia
na na etie wo
the new crusading guide. Occupy Ghana takes on Auditor General again, accuses AG of deliberate delay, demand more answers. BCA bans Ghana over fraudulent dealings, and Akufo-Addo urges global community help Africa recover from impact of COVID-19, Russia-Ukraine war.
Me fancy hey. Nah.
Yeah, na catch ampedu. Yeah, na catch na chwa bim.
Oh, anyampedu lender.
I said na oba de udi be mechi. Sa de na me mpe wo no.
Na birthday so for
body beman timi nyina say udi nechi even though bet my ye be me ye ni bi no amana trampo in sometimes but bribia da no gitum na hu say me am no wa hai be ma bia oni be hye bia no udi nechi
so
we enye we a anka woni ho say enye we ana onyame hu omobo na otwe me de na anka woni ho
na make we dey say we dey wo kan dey emfa obi birthday oba birthday na mpadu
na we chinyo be no gitum se magia tum na we yakọ enim no eh e say beji de mamo kasa o hey
papa o birthday metimi agi aboso ana ya ngumo birthday ite na beji aboso
edule koso
ite na linda birthday nyame ehraw one anochewa ba dwasewa nyame ehram na na obi DJ Musu kra di bibayo afamani so
DJ Musu the highest paid DJ in Ghana
eda also ochiame happy birthday nko Emma Mr. Kwesi Bando adodo na friend leading blastman owo boase nti we ye DJ Musu ochiame ene wish you Mr. Bando happy birthday nti nyame hiraw na onye okese kosi se obeye kese pa ti dufo nyina nyame hiraw nyina bako mayenkwai Dedu Soni Agudimo and Sam Professor Ike Wallace. Etwaso.